Look at that. Oh, yeah, tail walking. I'm not going to complain about that. Oh, looks like a coho. Oh, we just hooked up with a double. Definitely a keeper coho.
This journey started in the 60s, and I have fished from Alaska to Florida, hunted the Arctic for caribou, and combed the coastlines of Kodiak and the Aleutian Islands in search of meaning and purpose. These excursions exemplify a deeper understanding of success beyond that of just catching fish or bagging big game. They are about the chase and learning who you are. They are about exploring, appreciating, and respecting the vast expanses of our nation's forests, lakes, streams, rivers, and oceans, and finding our place in the universe. My name is Gene Quinney. These are my stories, this is my life, and these are my adventures.
Feet, we'll be there. Whoa, there we are. There's our waypoint, and there's our tracks from last time we were here. Exit, menu, cancel navigation, yes. Woo. Yeah, you're over there. I'm always over here because of the motor. Let me get the motor started. Last time I was on Rife Lake, I was pulling on this thing, and it wasn't starting, and it's because I had the run switch off. So as soon as I flipped up the run switch, it started.
Weird.
Yeah, isn't that crazy how that happens? All right. Get a couple of these balls. Here, have a ball. Okay. Okay, let's see here. You probably want a flasher. Beating up my boat over there. Shit, put her down. Bobby's got on the same flasher virtually. Just a little bit of difference here. Not much. Trusty old white. That one there, this one here, almost the same. And then the old herring helmet. Pro Troll Roto Chip. 5A is the part number. But what I do is I retie these. I retie it with 50-pound test. Put a barrel swivel on the end. I mean a B-chain on the end. And then my signature big game bait hooks with the slip second hook, so I can adjust to the size of the herring. Hopefully we can find some kings today. Last time we found no kings. I have a little something special this time.
Vodka? Bigger?
Look at the size of them boys.
Grande.
Look at the size of that thing. Bigger bait, bigger fish. And we'll see if that theory holds true, or if I just cured up a bunch of blue label herring for nothing. Make sure my rig is hanging right. It is. We're out in 250 feet of water, and I want to head south. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I'll be with you in a second. Let me put my tool belt on. These are the numbers where we found them last time. And last time there was no boats out here. Remember that? There was not a single boat around us. But now I look around and we just landed on our spot and we got 4 boats around us. Okay, anyway, no big deal. Word must have got out. My numbers. Yeah, and they're still showing up.
7 boats.
7 boats. All right, going down. Going downtown. We're fishing. Well, do you remember what I said last week? Last week I said, why is it taking so long to catch fish? We should have had fish by now. And then all of a sudden it just went off and it was non-stop action.
Yeah, it was nice. It seemed like by the time we even got our gear in and settled, we had a fish on.
Yep. I know what the problem is. It's been 5 minutes, we haven't caught a fish yet. Because we don't have the net ready. Come on, fish! Slow it down a little bit for you. There you are. I see a fish. Oh, yeah, tail walking. Hey, that's a Chinook. Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Oh, it just came off. Oh man, that was a king. It might not have been a keeper. It was pretty close. Okay, I was bringing my bait up, and I got hit right at the surface. And he's going over that direction. Looks like a coho. Oh, another one. Another one lost. Oh, just sometimes they don't stay buttoned up. When you're using those barbless hooks. I bet you that thing would still work, but look at the teeth marks on that. Okay, so we just decided to move, pulled up our gear, got hit. That happens so often where you get hit on the way up. I might have to stay in this area now and just fish a little differently. Oh, feels like some head shakes there. Is it a spotty? Oh, it's a Chinook. Oh man. Oh, now he wants to. Now, oh my goodness. Now it just came alive. Like Peter Frampton. Pull that ball out of the water. Yeah. That way it's not, no way. Okay, let's try this again.
We've done a couple decent ones up here, like
Okay.
18, 19 pounders.
Hold on.
So I don't know if
Coming at
the
you.
only 2 bites of the day, but they were both up the river.
Ho, ho, ho. All right, bring that baby in. Oh, Dude, there's my Chinook. Hard to move after catching a fish like that. Oh, yes. I'm not going to complain about that. Get in there. Okay, well, I decided to keep fishing this area since we caught this fish here. You know what they say, don't leave fish to find fish, and since we caught a fish, missed two. I mean, it's not Fast and Furious like it was last time, but right now, wow, that is crazy. That's the second time. So I was bringing it up to check I went through a bunch of seaweed, bringing it up to check, and bam, got hit. This feels like a decent fish. Oh, look at him run! Oh my gosh. I got seaweed on down there. This fish is running. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Kelp plus that fish. It did come off. Oh, that kelp broke the fish off. Oh, that was a nice fish. You see him running? Oh, geez, look at that mess. Get all geared up and do that again. Dang it! Dang it! What side? Oh, where'd he go? There he is. Oh, he hit my line. Oh no. Oh no, he got hung up on my line. Oh, it came off. Okay. Poor guy. So a sunfish right there got hung up on my line. That could have been ugly. Sorry, buddy. GoPro, stop recording. I just got hit. Yeah, this is a coho. See if you can see it's got a fin. No, I'm not ready for you. It doesn't have a fin?
I can't tell yet. I haven't seen it good enough. It doesn't look like it.
Okay, bring it in. No fin. You want it?
May as well, I guess. Pace that we're going here, I guess.
That's true. Bobby's hooked up. Oh, I see head shakes now. Oh, he's coming alive. 190 feet, huh? 65. Let me get him. What's that?
Coming in.
Hold on. Oh, I can't get the net out.
Yeah, you're moving with me.
All right, where are you at? Where are you at? I see a fish. I see a fish. You got to keep it out there because the downrigger's still out.
I can't.
Yeah.
It's hard to do that.
Yeah, just bring it up. Bring it straight up the back. Bring it straight up the back here. That way, all you have to do is lift. Come on. Well, apparently the theme of the day is use your downrigger to take it down, break it off, and bring it up. That's how every single fish has been caught. A little bit of head shakes here. Oh, this one feels like this is a good fish. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Come on. I think he just came off. He just came off. Moral of the story, don't have your drag set too tight. Stole my bait. All right, I'll keep us going so you can get back down. We just hooked up with a double. Yours is right there, Bobby. Mine is still out there, 150 feet. A little coho. Go ahead and come over here if you need to. Go ahead and come over if you need to. No. Woo! You gotta see if it's got a fin. Oh, look at him! Look at it back there on the surface. Well, it looks all tangled up and wrapped up or something. It might not be as big as I thought it was because it's foul hooked. Okay.
That might be worth keeping. I keep that one.
Yeah. Oh yeah. One. It's not a monster, but it'll do for a slow day. Now let's try that again.
Updated it.
So it's not just us. Well, so far we've got one king and 2 coho. And we're just waiting for that last fish. Come on, fish! How does this make you feel?
Oh, I feel like $100. Getting better, there'd have to be 2 of me.
Just put it down to 40 feet and got hit. Bam, just like that.
How's it feel?
Feels like a keeper. Feels like a coho. Oh no, it might be a coho. Oh, I'm trying to look at it first. It's definitely a coho, keeper coho. Definitely a keeper coho.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, well look at that guy. Put the bonk on him. Well, we are wrapping things up and get back to you and show you what we caught. 4 fish. 2 guys.
You assume.
Okay, we are done and heading back, and we have exactly 12.4 statute miles to go. 12.4 miles. 12.4 miles.
What a maker. What a nice day.
Man, it's beautiful out. Okay, let's hit it. If you liked this video, be sure to check out our other videos where you'll join us on the ocean catching kings and silver salmon, lakes catching kokanee trout and landlocked coho. We'll also be working our riverfront homestead and harvesting venison. Stay tuned for more fishing and hunting and outdoor adventure videos. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell button so you get notifications of new uploads. Thank you for watching.